this world.
When you ride it, slide.
Good morning. Oh, good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome back to another channel. If you're new here, welcome, baby. Welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. If you are returning, baby, thank you, my love. Thank you. Yo, guys, so today is a Sunday. It's the 14th of December. Let's go do my nails. Let's go and do my maintenance. Let's go do my maintenance. Let's just go do my nails, guys. Let's go do my nails. So I'm just gonna take you guys with me. I'm so sorry. I'm just gonna take you guys with me to do my nose. Oh yeah, I'll see you. Let me just firstly go take a shower, and then no, firstly I need to make up the bed, take a shower, and yeah, let's go, guys. Let's go. Yo. Okay, guys, I'm done bathing, so let's hit the road. Oh, okay, let me just do it quickly. OOTD. So okay, I'm wearing my top from Adidas, my jeans from Old Khaki, and then I'm also wearing my sambas. I'm just having my Adidas bag, and then I'm just having this jacket from Shein in case it's cold outside. So my ride is on the way. So yes, guys, let's go do the maintenance. Let's go do the nails, girlies. Let's go pamper ourselves just to look cute, and yeah, so let's go, guys. I forgot to tell you something. So today I'm not going to my nail tech. I'm going to my friend which is now doing nails. It's been a while now. We just recently reconnected, so I was like, let me just go and support the girl. So yeah, and based on what I saw, I'm just gonna plug you guys. She's very, very good. She's based in Tembisa in Mtambega. So yeah, she's very good. I was just gonna take you guys with me to do the nails, and then yeah, we'll just be happy. This is why happy, and then yeah, I think yeah, we're just gonna go there, do the nails. I'll just do my hands and my toes, and then yeah, so I'm just gonna take you guys with me. Let's bounce. Oh, my ride is just 3 minutes away, so it will be here.
On the M4. We already have. Hello, Johnny.
This one I got you with the jabata. I know get time, I did that. That cover my face, calling me that bad. Biggie man, we do be where I back that. sitcom. Jiwato, all depend.
And Bonani. Hi, Anjani. Happy. Yeah, I'm feeling good. Yeah, I'm feeling Johnny.
Good. Figure cute in Shem. Yo, I'm cooling. Okay, no, I'm lying. I'm
Oh, but wait, this is nice. Cute.
I wish I could figure good cute.
This is nice. I forgot to even take you with me. I'm just hungry. I got a cute day, so I just went to quickly to buy some. I think I'll have some pizza. Let me check. Thank you. So I'm here waiting for the pizza. Just ordered pizza. I'm so hungry, yo. I didn't eat. I didn't shower since morning.
And I can't eat enough without you. If you don't speak, does that mean we're through? Don't like sneaky shit that you do. Boy's a liar. Boy's a liar. He doesn't see us. Boy's a liar. Boy's a liar. He doesn't see us.
Hello guys, so today is the 16th of December. I even forgot to vlog, so I'm at Woodmeet. I'm here at Woolworths to just change something for my son, so they are very big on him. So yeah, let's go. It's just a quick in and out. Makro to get the special sale. The extra pieces 12 for 800. Imali phelile akusana mali. I'm done. December phelile. I don't have money anymore. I don't have money. I from Woodmeat. I'll just make a mini haul of what the things I got. Ne? Okay, I went to Woolies. Actually, I went to change pants, my son's pants at Woolies, because of they were very big. So, like, I don't know, I need to get a discipline, because of when I go to Woolies, I'll be like, okay, let me just take a few things that I need, like that is managing. So yeah. So I'm back. Okay, I got this tomato paste. And I got this cranberry musk. I just got one. They on a special, but I got one. I will just go back next week to refill. Yeah, because now so I will end up spending a lot of money. So I just bought one. And then I bought some 1.5 sparkling water. I still have a 5 liter just for in case, because of mates in this country. And then I bought this Cape Juicy Red because of, I think I'm gonna have a guest today. My friend said she wants to come and visit, so we just have at least a sip of wine. And then I got this pack, 3 pack. 3, I've already opened this one. 3 is 60 rand. And another thing that I went at Woolworths for, Mingele, those were the wings. I wanted the wings, so yeah. So these wings are 150, and then everything at Woolies, it cost me, it was not much, yes. I think it was 3 something. Yeah, 304. It was 304, everything at Woolies. And then I went to Makro. I went for this. I wanted to buy this since it's a special, and I was like, I need to go to Makro. I need to order, or must I order? But then today I was like, you know what? Let me just go to Woodmeat, because it Woodmeat, there's a Makro, there's Woolworths, there's everything that I will want there. So yeah, this is the only thing that I got. So yeah, I'm done. I'll just go for next week for a grocery. Then I'm done. Angisabeli ngithenga kunini ngithenga nkosi yami. Yo, okay guys, let me touch up. I need to go home. I need to go to my mom's house. Yeah, and then we're okay. I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. I don't want it to be too long. I just want to end it here. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, comment with your friends, so that they can share with their friends, and their friends must share with their friends, and tell them that Kunel is in the building and your kid is in a building. Please subscribe, my lovers. Love you so much. Enjoy your holidays. We'll see you on the next part.
Sweet sleep.